this video, we'll show you how to leverage Collabora's filtering features to understand your spreadsheet data better. Looking into your data, Home Autofilter is the most used filter, and it's easy to use. For example, for finding entries with a common characteristic. But there are more filter options available. In the Data tab, there's a standard filter and an advanced filter. The standard filter lets you set detailed criteria for each column. And under Options, you'll find various functions, such as copying results to a certain cell range or using regular expressions. The advanced filter allows you to use criteria that are defined at a different place so that you can use them more often. Check the help for more details and examples. An important tip: if column headers are used, use them consistently. And don't forget to look at more Collabora videos, helping you to work faster and smarter.